The Vivo Y21a is set to be released on March 31, 2022. Vivo is expected to cost $224. Smart technology. Vivo is set to release the Y21a in the near future. For its Y series, the business is developing a new smartphone. Vivo Y21a will be the name of the upcoming device, which will be a mid-range smartphone. Let's get into the details of the specification. The smartphone will be powered by the MediaTek MT6762 Helio P22 processor, which is one of the most recent chipsets for smartphones on the market. The upcoming Vivo Y21a is a 2 GHz octa-core processor. This new smartphone display is a 6.5-inch screen, making it a big screen device, with an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. The Vivo Y21a will have a full HD display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, as well as a GPU from PowerVR GE8320. This Vivo phone has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and it comes in midnight blue and diamond glow colors. There are 2 cameras on the smartphone. The smartphone's main sensor will be 13 megapixels with f2.2 wide PDAF and a 2 megapixels with f2.4 macro. The Y21a's selfie camera will be 8 megapixels and f1.8 wide, making it easier and more attractive to take selfies with this new phone. The Y21a will be powered by a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery, which is a large battery that will provide you with more than 1 day of battery life. There will also be fast 18-watt battery charging. Vivo's Y21a smartphone will be powered by the Android 12 operating system. In addition, this smartphone also included these features such as dual SIM, 4G LTE, microSD card slot supports up to 1 TB, geotagging, phase detection, panorama, HDR, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, USB Type-C 2.0, USB on the go, NFC, GPRS, accelerometer, compass, proximity, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 3.5mm audio jack and LED flashlight. What do you think about this phone? Please comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel as well as press the bell button for notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.